1 year ago, I uploaded my very first YouTube video without knowing if anyone would even watch it. I was nervous, overthinking everything, and honestly, I almost gave up many times. But somehow, through all the low views, self doubt, and quiet moments behind the camera, I'm still here. And today, I want to share what this first year on YouTube truly looked like, the struggles, the growth, and the dreams I'm still chasing.
Hello there, people! Welcome and join me as I celebrating my 1 year of being a YouTuber. So I can't really believe that I already reached my 1 year here in YouTube. Actually, I was inspired when I was in my third month. I think, yeah, in my third month of being here in YouTube, I just watched a female blogger. She also celebrating that time her 1 year of being a YouTube creator, and I was inspired by then. And then I told to myself that I will also celebrate my 1 year of being YouTube creator if I reach my 1 year already. And here, voila, the time is very fast, and then now I'm here already. I'm celebrating my YouTube journey. And since she has a cake that time, I also thought that I'm gonna also have a cake. Even I'm not really fan of cake, but except for this, because I bring a tiramisu cake. So this is a coffee flavor. There's a coffee flavor in it, and since I am a coffee lover, so this exemption. So I really love this, and I'm so overwhelmed now that I can't believe that I'm gonna also celebrate this. Even how many times I said that I'm so inconsistent, but here I am. I'm celebrating my 1 year of being YouTube creator. And aside for this, I'm gonna eat this one later with a green tea, and maybe I cannot talk very well if I'm eating now. So, and aside from this, since I didn't get a lot of certificate, so I don't want to wait somebody to give me a certificate. So I'm gonna give it by myself. So, and I print it. So yeah, I print also my own certificate. So as you can see, oh, it's reverse. So I'm gonna post it here now so you can see it properly. So yeah, I just suddenly thought that why not to to give myself my a certificate. So in my certificate, I also actually I really thought that I started my YouTube channel May 19. That's why today actually is May 19, 2026. I really thought that I started my YouTube journey May 19. But when I opened my YouTube studio yesterday, it's May 18, because it's the YouTube studio congratulate me for being 1 year of being a YouTuber. And then at first, it's May 19. Supposedly, it's May 19, but I edit it to May 18. I think, yeah, I make my YouTube channel, sorry, May 18, but I started posting May 19. That's why I think I thought it's May 19. So, but anyway, I just follow the YouTube studio. So I just edit it to May 18. So yeah, it makes me happy. Even I only myself award this to myself. But yeah, it makes me inspired, even it's only from myself, because I'm gonna put it. I think I will buy a frame, because yesterday I'm planning to go to the bookstore to buy a frame, but suddenly there's happened that I need to extend to overtime, so I don't have time to pass by to the bookstore. So maybe later or tomorrow I'm gonna by a frame. So I'm just happy. I just make myself happy. So anyways, since this is my 1 year anniversary here in YouTube, I actually make a list here, title 1 year on YouTube and what really happened. So there's an 8 points that I'm gonna answer. Also, I am also make it for myself with the help of ChatGPT. Oh, it's open. Oh my God, ChatGPT helped me a lot. Even though I didn't make a script because I'm not really comfortable in script, so I wanted it to be raw, and then I'm gonna answer it. So number one is why you started a YouTube. So I think I already discussed it before in my YouTube. I think in my third long form video, I started my YouTube channel in the midst of my depression. Yes, because I thought that time nobody will help me, only myself, and I started to fix my. Actually, this channel is like already it's my spare channel 10 years ago. So if you will check my what's this, I don't know the name, you can see it like 2016. It's like already. And yeah, I just started my YouTube channel just to someone to talk with, just to release my thoughts that I can tell to other people. Yeah, aside from my diary, since this is my visual diaries, like my video diary. Aside from my diaries, like I have a lot of notebook now, so like this. So I have how many? So I'm gonna show you how many diaries I have. There's a missing. Oh, sorry. So aside from my diary, so I decided to also to make a video diary. So this is that's why it's Dear Hanya YouTube channel. So yeah, this is my diaries way back. So yeah, I just wanted to someone to talk with. I just want to release my thoughts because I was so depressed, and then I don't find any happiness that time. That's why I started. So number two, your fears before posting. Mm, yeah, my fears is if my friends or my family know about my video in my YouTube channel. Actually, since I was in the midst of depression, I don't want somebody. I don't want anyone to see my life that I'm struggling. Um, because the time I stopped posting in my social media, which is Facebook, like Instagram or TikTok. I stopped posting my face because before I love to post my face or video. I'm making video also, and that time I want to disappear. I want to disappear in this world. Like I just wanted to be alone, and that's my fears when I was starting because I gonna start a YouTube channel, and of course I need to show myself because what content I need to post. I don't have another talent or skills that I don't need to show my face. Like I still don't know. I still don't have an idea that time. So that's my fears that a lot of people can see what's happening to my life because that time I closed my window and door to other people. I just wanted to be alone. So yeah, number three, your first video experience. Oh yeah, actually when I start my YouTube video, I started with the YouTube shorts. So I confused in one question this one. Your first video experience. So first, anyway, in my first YouTube shorts video that I posted that time, actually I was overwhelmed. That's why I keep continuing it, because I remember that when I first my YouTube shorts video, it gains 1,000 views, and it's really happened to me, and I was overwhelmed that I got thousand of views. And then I told to my sister like this, like, and then that's the started. And after that, the next day I posted again because I was so happy that I gained 1,000 views. It's really happened to me. And yeah, but my long form video I started to make it in my fourth month of being a YouTuber, and yeah, if I will also give experience on that, it's kind of I feel so shy, and then I'm so unconfident, and I am so uncomfortable because since I'm not really in fluent in English, I know some people will bash on me like, yeah, just speak on your own language, I don't understand you like that. So just the negative thoughts like that's coming in my mind, then yeah, I'm just not comfortable in my first long form video. So that's my experience. So number 4, hard moments, like hard moments, low views, self-doubts and stress. Oh, it's too much. Yeah, low views, I expect on that. So I only get high views, like thousand of views in my YouTube shorts, but in my long form video until now, I still didn't get 1,000 of views. I think my highest views is 564, like that, not more than 600. But since I prepared myself, I thought, I mean, I thought to myself that this is my documentary. It's my diary. YouTube channel. So I don't want to expect myself to become a viral. So I just wanted to document my life and what's going on. So yeah, low views. But yeah, first I admit that it's kind of hard. But I don't want to depend on the views. I'm just enjoying it. And what else? Self doubt. Yes, I have too much self doubt because sometimes I feel I'm not confident to shoot a video. So as you can see, I don't always post a long form video. So yeah, stress, uh, manageable now. So now I can manage my stress. Yeah, but it's manageable now. So number 5, what changed in your confidence? Yeah, I admit that the YouTube channel helped me a lot in terms of confidence. I became more yes, I became more confident. Like I can talk a lot. I can confident to talk a lot in front of the video. So like now without cutting the video. So it helps me a lot since I don't know why it's in confidence topic of the confidence, and then I will lose my confidence. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, confidence. I became more confident. So I don't know what I'm gonna answer on this. Number 6, skills you learned. I become more techy. Yeah, I became more a researcher to, for example, the things in editing, in even until now I'm still using CapCut, but I still become more exploring in the CapCut, and and yeah, but until now I'm still not professional. I think I still have a lot to learn in this skills you learn. Mm. Number 7, your happiest moment this year. Happiest moment? There's a lot. Actually, my happiest moment when I'm doing a live stream in my previous job in Jasmine. Every day I was so happy that I'm doing a live stream because I express myself, the things that I cannot express in person, but I can express it in the live stream. That's one of my happiest moments. And shorts long for I mean some YouTube shorts, because I made a lot of YouTube shorts. Even there's no niche on that. It's a scramble YouTube shorts. Sometimes I'm a florist, sometimes I'm a barista, sometimes I'm chocolate orange, sometimes I'm a chef. So yeah, there's a lot of happiest moments. So, and the last one is your dreams for year 2. There's a lot. Um, I'm hoping that I'm gonna also reach my second year anniversary here in YouTube, and I hope that I'm not gonna tired. I will not gonna give up on my YouTube journey, and I hope I will reach until my silver anniversary, my gold anniversary here in YouTube.
This past year wasn't perfect, and honestly, I'm still learning every single day. But if there's one thing I'm proud of, it's that I didn't stop creating. To everyone who watched, supported, liked, commented, or simply stayed here with me, thank you so much. You became part of this journey, and this is only the beginning. Year 1 taught me how to start, and now I'm excited to see where year 2 will take me.
Thank you so much for watching. Anya.